Ka Presiden Jongkari India ka Draupadi Murmu hak jingwan jungo jongkai ka jylla Meghalaya bat haba ai jingkren hamau plang kala Ïaroh ya ka jinglong jong ka jylla Meghalaya khamtam habai dei bat ka jing penne pensa ya ki klau ki betam ka Presiden haba ai jingkren hak ni ka jingelang pajba hamau plang kala ong banadu kulong kuma ki riulum ka ni ka thany kila long pa ki nongri nongda ya ka mariang bat penne pensa kat kum kejing tip tenrai kabadon haki kejing penne ialah ka lariti bat kejing nyam susu ka Presiden Jongkari India kal ongru baki briu ha jylla Meghalaya ki ngejru ha ubasa ubasong basa haki klau ki betap bat ki dustur ki ba ki riulum ki buat ki laru banlong ki babiang ban pule kumno kalong kejing edei ha pedeng ki briu bat kamariang kala Ïaroh ru ya kalau kentang hamau plang kabadai kawai negi bapau bat kabla penne pensa kerpang katkum kastat kabadon nadu kapor kabarim hagani kesngi ke Presiden kala peliru ik surok belasna ki bakentup ya surok rongjeng mangsang adokre bat mairang rani godown azra kumba arspa klur nalor ke jingbu Mawnongrim bantai ya ke projek Shillong Peak Ropeway kaba shispa lai pupra klur nalor ke jingtai ke jakasa ban kentiu ya ke kamjungokai hasnong kongtong maulangot bat Mawnongrim nakaliang menteri rangba aba keren nak ni sengi walaupun pau ke sengongu ya ke Presiden ke belawan jengo ya ke jylla bat sengau sarong ru bakum ke riulum kalapoi syaka kerdan kum ke Presiden ke benengkong na pedeng ke riulum walaupun pau ru ke jingkeben ba ke Meghalaya kala yok kusnam hakari na ke jingla ban jenanti bat plilat ikinong song ha kaliang ke sengkam sengjam
are witnessing an unprecedented number of innovative infrastructural and entrepreneurial initiatives aimed at developing tourism and generating livelihood opportunities for our people. As part of that mission, we have put in place a comprehensive tourism policy aimed at positioning Meghalaya as the most preferred tourist destination in the country, grounded on key principles of sustainable and responsible tourism. To provide visitors with a comfortable level travel experience, Tourism Department has introduced a set of innovative schemes like Meghalaya Homestay Scheme, Prime Luxury Tourist Vehicle Scheme and the Motor Caravan Scheme. Under these schemes, the government provides sustainable, substantial subsidies to entrepreneurs for developing premium accommodation, restaurants, vehicles, wayside amenities, and for ensuring a comfortable commute experience for tourists. These villages have been identified by the Tourism Department for ushering in a novel concept in the state, which is village tourism. These accommodations will offer tourists a bespoke exposure to Meghalaya's rural communities, their culture, cuisine and crafts. One of these villages, Kongtong, won the Best Tourism Village Award, Bronze, at the National Tourism Awards 2023. We are committed to tap the potential of our youth and build a music industry that can attract tourists. The Shillong Peak Ropeway is today world famous. We have introduced the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program that provides close to 3,000 musicians a platform to showcase their talent and offer tourists a feel of Meghalaya as music capital of the country.
Srimati Draupadi Murmuji to our beautiful state of Meghalaya. On behalf of the people of the state, I would like to extend our heartfelt greetings to our Honorable President on her maiden visit to our state. Meghalaya is a home to indigenous communities who have for generations shared an intimate bond with nature. In no other place is that relationship more vividly enshrined than the Mawnongrim sacred grove. the Mawnongrim Sacred Grove is not just an iconic tourist attraction of Meghalaya, it is also a symbol of our rich cultural heritage, our ethos of being one with nature, which has been preserved and protected for generations to come. The Honorable President has laid the foundation for the rural tourism accommodation in the villages of Kongtong, Mawnongrim and Kulingin. The concept of rural tourism will offer the people of Meghalaya an opportunity to not only preserve their way of life, but to showcase it to the world. These are the examples of the best that Meghalaya tourism has to offer, grounded in the principles of sustainable and responsible tourism. Honorable President, our government has set an ambitious target of making Meghalaya a $10 billion economy by 2028. The tourism sector, being a job multiplier, will play a crucial role in our efforts to achieve that target and create sustainable livelihoods for the people of the state and showcase the natural beauty of our landscape to the rest of the world.
Gathered here in large numbers. I was really looking forward to interact with you. When I landed in Meghalaya, I experienced that this state is indeed uniquely blessed by Mother Nature. I am told that the Mawnongrim Sacred Grove is home to the most celebrated of Meghalaya's Longkintang or ancient sacred groves. This forest, aged more than 700 years, has attracted many visitors, tourists and researchers from around the globe. They admire the wisdom of our forefathers who understood and used this traditional concept of conserving nature. We all should make serious efforts to preserve this kind of forest, which is a treasure house of biodiversity. I am happy to know that Meghalaya has been making a determined effort to emerge as a model state and offering a balanced approach to modernity and tradition. With good FDI inflows, high efforts and a dynamic demography, Meghalaya is emerging as a growth leader and offers an inspiring story. Local produce such as Lakadam turmeric and strawberries are high in demand. I have been told that e-proposal scheme system of the government of Meghalaya has won the coveted UN Award World Summit on the Information Society Forum Prize in 2022. I congratulate the government and residents of Meghalaya for this achievement. The government has made significant conservation efforts to ensure that biodiversity is maintained. I have been told that the Green Meghalaya initiative has been launched through which the communities are rewarded for preserving and protecting the natural cover. Ladies and gentlemen, I have inaugurated various connectivity related and developmental projects today. I am confident that these projects will improve connectivity and will enable Meghalaya to move ahead on the path of sustainable and inclusive development. Since time immemorial, tribal people has been the vanguard of environmental conservation based on indigenous knowledge, culture and religious beliefs. Tribal practices can be good case studies of how there can be a symbiotic relationship between human beings and nature. Meghalayan people believe that Yubasa or goddess dwells among lush green forests. I have said earlier also that this concept of worshiping nature as a divine gift has played a significant role in conservation efforts. Tribal lifestyle contributes to the promotion of natural and national goals of biodiversity conservation and maintaining the ecological balance. Ladies and gentlemen, today I interacted with the self-help groups here in Meghalaya. Women have played a significant role in the success of self-help groups and value chain addition. It is inspiring to see that women are not just passive beneficiaries but active agents of change. I also want to highlight the role of women in conservation and climate action efforts. It is well documented that